It's been over 50 years of rodeo at Lakeland. Over 50 years of bucking bulls and broncs, of cowboy boots and dirt and effort, of early mornings and late nights. 50 years of blood, sweat, tears, of winning bragging rights and belt buckles, broken bones and broken records. 50 years of legends made in the arena, but in a sport with a legacy of over half a century at Lakeland, it all comes down to seconds.
Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped, shooting my shot. Oh, 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 yeah, I'm the one, I'm a legend, get what I want. Oh, 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 yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped, shooting my shot. Oh, 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 yeah, I'm the one, I'm a legend, get what I want. Oh, 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 put the work in, yeah, I earned it, it's my destiny. Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped, shooting my shot. Oh, 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 yeah, I'm the one, I'm a legend, get what I want. Oh, 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 yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped, shooting my shot. Oh, 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 yeah, I'm the one, I'm a legend, get what I want. Oh, oh, oh.
This is a legacy. This is Rustler Nation.